This video is generated free of cost.
Okay, so let's just get right to it. Artificial in classrooms, and it's for every single student. How do we actually, core question, we absolutely, potential is just, you can really think of it as a double-edged, that's where the peril comes in. It can sneak in.
Super cool, right? This audio podcast is generated free of cost as well.
Welcome to the deep dive. You know, it feels like you can hardly go a day without bumping into artificial intelligence out.
Yeah, the inquiry, the analysis, making mistakes.
Right into the next one. Human oversight.
The teacher does. That's crucial.
This mind map is also generated using the same tool that generated the video and audio for us. And the good thing is, if you click on any of these options of this mind map, you can get explanation of them as well. And you know, all these things, this mind map, this video and audio are generated by using this document only. So how you can do that free of cost using a super cool AI tool? Watch this video till the end and you will get to know. Hello everyone. If you are looking for a tool that can help to transform the text information, the slideshow, the lengthy documents, or that website link or that blog text into an interactive podcast or a captivating video or a mind map or much more, then this website Notebook LM is your go-to tool. Notebook LM is a Google product. Now before moving further into this video, I will quickly go to the pricing or the plans page of Notebook LM, and here you can see that you can do a lot using the free account or the free version of Notebook LM. You can also purchase Notebook LM Pro version as well, but to be honest, I am using for my individual use this free version, and you can see it says free for individuals to get started, which means you don't have to pay any kind of fee for this. Right, now we need to go back, and the first thing first, you need to sign up for Notebook LM. I signed up using my Gmail account. You can sign up using your Gmail account or your email address. And once you are signed in, what we need to do, we will click on Try Notebook LM. So here we are, and here you can see that these are some of the previously generated content using Notebook LM. What I will do, I'll click on Create New because I want to show you what you can do with this. And once we are here, so you can see either I can upload a PDF or text file or audio file, anything. It can be a Google Doc from Google Drive. It can be Google Slides. It can be the link of a website. It can be link of YouTube video. It can be simple plain text that you can copy and paste. So feel free to use one of these. Also, if you're aiming to upload multiple sources at once, then you can see the source limit. It is maximum 50. So you can upload maximum 50 sources at once. Now, what I will do, I have a PDF document and I will upload that document in Notebook LM. Now you can see the document is being processed. Here you can see the essence of this document, and you can ask this tool, the Notebook LM tool, you can ask it to create a mind map, an audio overview. You can ask it to add, any note. You can even ask questions within, this text. Now what I will do, I'll click on audio overview. I will click on video overview. I'll click on mind map, and we will generate. So we can generate a number of reports: briefing document, study guide, FAQ, timeline. So let's say we want to generate a study guide. So I will click on it. Now, as you can see, that audio overview, and then after that, the study guide and the mind map. These three things are generated. So these two were generated first, and then the audio overview was generated. And then the video overview is still in process. I will show you once it is done as well. But before than that, I want to show you the power of this prompt here. I know you can do the same thing in ChatGPT, but once you have, everything in one place, so why to use ChatGPT or Gemini? So let's see the document that I uploaded. I want the summary of the document. Here you can see the summary of the document is given here. What if I ask list 5 key components, and then we press this blue button? So here you can see that 5 components are listed by Notebook LM. So this is how it works. Now, what I'm going to do, I will first show you this mind map. So if you see here, ethical AI in teaching and learning, why ethics matters, key principles, practical applications, challenges ahead, conclusion. Now, if I click here, this is one topic. If we click on it, these are the subtopics. If I want to learn about, in general, the overview of the topic, it will, talk about the entire topic. Now, if I go back and I zoom in, and let's say I want to just talk about key principles, I will click on it and see it will start talking about key principles. Now, let's say if I go back again, zoom in, and in key principles, there is transparency, privacy, equity, human oversight. Let's say we want to learn about human oversight, further three things. Now, I want to learn about AI supports, not replaces teachers. If we click on it, so you can see that it will start the discussion, it will provide us details about AI supports, not replaces teachers, right? So this is the beauty of this tool. Now this is the one way you can use it, right? And we can always click on these options to minimize these mind map options. We can click here to minimize. Now if you want to download, you can click here to download, and we can again click here to go back to the main thing. Our video is generated as well. We will take a look of that in a while. Now this is the second thing, study guide. If I click on it, you can see here we generated FAQs. So these are a comprehensive guide on ethical use of AI in education. If we minimize this, like if we want something else, frequently asked question, timeline, let's say if we click on timeline, let's see what it generates for us. If we click on FAQ, let's see what it generates for us. And in the meanwhile, what I will do, we will play this audio.
Welcome to the deep dive. You know, it feels like you can hardly go a day without bumping into artificial intelligence, right?
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, it's suggesting shows, it's helping doctors. This is for you.
We're going to explore those key principles, the ones that need to guide AI in school so it actually helps.
This is cool, right? Now, if you want to download it, simply click here and click on download, and you can actually download this audio without paying any fee. And now if we go to the video part, which is this one, we will click on it and it will buffer and start playing soon. Let's put it on full screen. The video is 4 minutes 37 seconds. If I quickly show you the audio was, this is the audio. So the audio was 13 minutes and 37 seconds. And there is another good thing that I can show you. If you click here and click on customize, and then you can ask actually, to keep the length shorter, longer. You can choose different languages. You can even ask some specific thing that you want to be covered in the podcast or in this, audio narration. Now, why this is beneficial? If you don't want to read these long documents, you can listen to them. Or if you don't want to listen, you just want to have a video with audio as well. So you can again use this. Here, you can choose the language, and in this text box, you can specify what notebook LM should focus in this video from the document that we have provided. Now let's go back to the video. This is our video. I will click on play button, maximize, click on play again.
Okay, so let's just get right to it. Artificial intelligence, it's not some far-off future thing. It's already in our classrooms, and it's promising all kinds of amazing stuff, like personalizing learning for every single student and making teaching way more efficient. But as we jump into this, we've got to ask the really important question. How do we actually use this incredible new tool? Higher. So you can really think of it as a double-edged sword. On one side, you've got the promise, right? AI can create these personalized learning paths and take care of all those super time-consuming admin tasks. But on the other,
the video feature is super cool as well, right? And as I told you, you can download it, you can share it. We can click here to minimize this. So yes, Notebook LM is my go-to tool these days. If I want to generate audio overview, video overview, if I want to generate a mind map or a report, this is helpful for anyone. This is helpful for teachers, for students, for any person who is working and they deal with documents, they need to summarize documents. This is really, really helpful. I hope you found this video helpful. If the video was helpful, like the video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful content on teaching and learning. Thank you.